Hi, this is Leah from Imagine DIY, and I've put together this video to talk you through how we made this really pretty invitation. It's really simple and elegant, and for this one we've used a beautiful flocked paper and some metallic rose gold ribbon. It's just a flat invitation. As you can see, you can add inserts at the back if you want, and it's really versatile. So if you wanted to change the colour ribbon or the paper, you can do that and create something completely different. These are also really cost-effective invitations to make as well. So I'm just going to show you how we did them. So we started off, I've pre-cut, just using a paper trimmer, a piece of pearlized ivory card, 16 centimetres by 16 centimetres. And I've also cut a piece of flocked paper. This is the Renaissance Flock Ivory from our website. I've cut this to 16 centimetres by 16 centimetres, exactly the same size as the backing card. This just makes sure you've got a little extra weight to the paper. So I'm going to use double-sided tape to stick this on. I've already put two pieces into place, just to make the video a little bit quicker for you. I'm going to peel the backing paper off. You can also use a tape runner for this. For sticking onto flocked paper or even glitter paper, I really recommend a high-tack double-sided tape, which is available on our website. And you'll just get a really strong stick if you use that. There you go. So there's the backing of your invitation. We then have printed the invitation wording onto a pearlized ivory card panel. This is 12 centimetres by 12 centimetres, and the template is available on our website. So again, I've stuck double-sided tape all the way around. Just going to peel that off. And then making sure the borders are even and that the pattern is straight, I'm just sticking that into the centre of the flock paper. The high-tack tape is great because it just sticks on really well. So the next thing we're doing is your ribbon. And the ribbon forms, I suppose, a belly band around the invitation. So we're just taking it, if you can see, the width of your invitation plus a little bit more. We're just going to use the scissors to cut that down. So we're going to put the ribbon face down on a flat surface, place the invitation on top, and then just fold the edges of the ribbon into the centre. You're then going to use a glue gun just to stick that into place. Make sure you don't spill any glue onto the card. You also don't want to pull it too tight because you need it to slide up and down. There you go. So there's your band. We're now going to make the bow. So you need quite a bit of ribbon for the bow. The way I like to do it, if you keep it on the roll and just use the bunny ear method. So can you see that there? I've just made two loops. We're crossing it over, tucking the one loop under, and then just pulling both loops through. So it needs a little bit of teasing. So you just need, really just keep pulling, loosening and pulling again until you're really happy with the size and shape of the bow. There. So this is taking a little bit more teasing than normal, which is typical when I'm doing a video. As you can see, just with a little bit of fuss, we've got a really pretty bow. So then we're just going to cut an inverted V shape into the tail of the ribbon. Try and make sure they're even and we're going to use just a little bit of glue from the glue gun just to stick the bow into place. And there you go. You have a finished invitation with a belly bow ready to send your guests. Why don't you give it a go? Visit our website Imagine DIY for more information.